Welcome to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. I know it's been a while since I did one of these, but we're actually going to do a wine review. And this bottle of wine is only $3.99. If you want to learn more about it, I'll be right back. Okay, welcome back to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. Like I said, it's time for another wine review. It's the Carlo Rossi Peach Sangria. Served chilled, alcohol, 8% by volume. And it's from Mosquito, California. Grape wine with natural flavors. Now it says peach sangria, but it says grape wine with natural flavors. That's kind of confusing in itself. But it's only $3.99. The lady at the liquor store was telling me they're making this to compete with Boone's Farm. And if you're a child of the 80s, you're quite familiar with Boone's Farm. Go ahead and get it open. It has a strong peach smell. Like, if you ever got a can of peaches and you open them up and you smell the syrup that's in the can with the peaches, that's what it smells like. I know, this ain't a wine glass. I gave all my wine glasses and that kind of stuff away when I moved. Yeah, real strong peach syrup, like a canned peach syrup smell to it. It's a nice light color. I don't see nothing weird floating around in it, so that's always a good sign. The smell's stronger than the taste. I'm really not getting a peach taste to it. I gotta say, even for $3.99, that's a little disappointing. I was expecting a more peach taste to it. It just tastes like watered down wine. Yeah. Okay. This is gonna be like probably the quickest video I ever did. But overall, even when I consider the price, I'm disappointed by it, even at the $4 price tag. For a cheap wine, I'm going to say it's a little below average. So on a 5-star scale, I'm only going to give it 2.5. And 3 being average for the price. Now, if this was a $15 bottle of wine, I'd be really upset by it because it just tastes watered down. Okay, do me a favor, click on that subscribe button up in one of these corners. As always, thank you for watching.